Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to do a review on the Lockley Secure Pro Deadbolt Edition that I installed a few months ago. Let me show you the chaos that ensued over here. My fingers are covered in Krazy Glue. Not my best moment. Now so far it's been working great. We love the fingerprint mode. We also like giving the code out to people who are watching our dog or our house. It's really easy. My wife does it on her app. We love it. The one thing we don't love is I installed the sensor magnet here per the instructions, and it works great except for the fact that the double-sided tape that comes with this is not very strong. So every so often it falls off, and we have lost this magnet several times. So I contacted customer service, and they were nice enough to send me 2 replacement magnets. It comes with the sensor and the magnet. The reason I called Lockley and asked for these is because this sensor magnet fell off and we lost it. We just couldn't find it. After 2 days or so of looking, we did find it. It was underneath something. It is a magnet, so it was stuck to something metal somewhere in the house. But it continues to come off. So today, I'm going to try and super glue it to the door jamb. Hopefully that'll work a little bit better. Now the glue that I'm going to attempt to use is Krazy Glue. We'll see how well it works. Now of course when I want it to come off, it won't. So that's what it looks like off. On the back there's this double-sided tape that again does not hold up too well, and it continues to just fall off. So I'm going to try to use the Krazy Glue. Take this Krazy Glue out. Now initially I thought this was the container, but you have to take the lid off, and inside you have this Krazy Glue. Okay, I'm going to remove this cap. Apply some on there. So I wish I got that on camera, because I just opened this up and it got all over the place. And I freaked out a little bit, and I tried to grab it with the Kleenex. Let me show you the chaos that ensued over here. Here's my setup over here. Ignore my kid's mess, but the magnet with this Krazy Glue stuck right to the bench and took the paint off. So be careful when you're using this stuff. So now I appreciate Lockley sending me another door sensor and magnet, because that's all messed up. I don't know if my camera's focusing on that, but it's pretty messed up. So now I will take the new one out and attach it to here with the glue. I also don't know if you can see that. My fingers are covered in Krazy Glue. But at least they're not stuck together. It's sticking to everything. Brand new magnet. Comes with the double-sided tape already attached to it. I'm actually going to peel the tape off and stick the magnet right to the door jamb with the Krazy Glue. There's a nice smooth surface. Now the Krazy Glue is much more liquidy than I expected. Try this again, see if I can get this on without getting it all over. There it comes. See how this does. Okay, that's on there. You have to make sure there's a tiny arrow. Make sure that is pointing to the Lockley sensor. I don't know if you can see. There's some Krazy Glue. There's some on this finger. I can feel it on this finger. Not my best moment. So now that the sensor magnet is on here pretty solid, hopefully that'll work and it will not fall off and we won't lose it again. But if not, I have one more spare, and I'll probably wear gloves if I use this Krazy Glue again. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this. Maybe I gave you a few laughs. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.